Orthodox today in the shop, right? Alright, we're going to be redoing this head, right? Customer came in firstly with complaints of engine losing pressure, so we did some inspection and found out that all the gaskets were gone. The exhaust gasket, the intake gasket were leaking oil. You understand me? All of these seals were gone. So and the topics cover seal was gone. But the customer, he went ahead now and bought himself a overall kit for the head, right? So after that now has pulled apart the head. Wasn't really intending on doing the valves, but you know, from the dock read so far, he's going to check everything to see what is happening. Now I did a check on each valve, and you can see, right? Now I did the real test, right, to check to see what was happening with these valves. So what I did now is that I wet the top of the valve, right? So I'm going to slide it out. When I slide it out, there's still oil on the other side. There's still oil there, right? There's still oil there. Yeah, yeah. Oh, there you go. It's wet, right? So now we are having this valve stem seal is gone. As you can see, the carbon build up. So we're going to have to remove this valve stem seal. Alright, we have already started washing up this head so far now. So you can see that more so far. Alright, so I'm going to be completing the job by washing up everything, cleaning it up, and cleaning out these areas for the intake couplers, alright? The carbon build up on the inside here, I'm going to get rid of all of that. After that, we're going to be doing that. All gaskets will be changed, all seals will be changed, all seals will be changed, right? All gaskets, right? This is our EGR valve, and you can see our EGR valve how it is blocked, right? You can see there, right? Alright. Our EGR valve has a carbon build-up, so we're going to have to service that, right? Alright, where the EGR valve is coupled up, as you can see, the carbon build-up on the inside there, right? The carbon build-up on the inside, you can see the carbon build-up on the inside, right? Oh, there you go. So we're going to have to address those, right? Okay. So Orthodox is on the job, you know. Valve stem seal, top is cover seal, seals, right? Alright, plug seal, throttle body kit, throttle body seal. These are for the intake. The intake side, they're going to be coupled up here onto the intake piece that's in the car, right? And we have the exhaust seals, and we have our little O-rings for everywhere on the engine where we should put our O-rings, right? Like, for example, perfect example, the sensor here. We need an O-ring right there, right? For this temperature sensor, right? Okay, perfect example for those O-rings. So, we're going to continue and proceed into disassembling this head and building it back up. No, firstly, we're going to have to take out the VTEC, because I'm going to have to wash this head up after I removed all valves, right, and clean it up well clean. As you can see now, here is where the EGR valve is coupled up to, right. Now we're going to wash out all of those areas. They should be clean like whistle, right. So it feeds back here. So EGR valve really take a mixture from our exhaust. Alright. It is what it is. Order down, right? Okay.